cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños, querida Brogan. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. ¡Ole! Hola, mi hija.
Hola.
¿Es tu cumpleaños hoy? Te amamos, nuestra hermosa hija. ¿Por qué no estás aquí? ¿Por qué estás en América del Sur? Oh, te extrañamos, te extrañamos. Le compramos un pastel. ¿Te gusta? ¿Sí? Pero no estás aquí, por lo que puedo comer todo.
¡Mierde!
¿Algún problema? ¿Quieres? Hemos estado en un viaje a algunas personas a decir feliz cumpleaños a ti. Estos son sus mensajes.
Happy birthday, Brogan!
Happy birthday!
Have a good day!
Happy birthday, we all miss you!
We miss you!
Woo!
Take care!
Yeah.
Have fun! Bye!
Woo!
Hi Brogan, happy birthday. Really missing you a lot, so if you could hurry up and come home soon, that would be great, because we need to have some celebratory drinks for that lovely ring that you have on your finger. Hi to Sean too, I hope you're both keeping safe, and as I said, please hurry up and come home soon.
Happy birthday, Brogan. Hope you're having a nice time.
Can you remember the words? You can't remember.
Happy birthday, bro. Lots of love from Linz and I hope you and Sean are having a fantastic time. See you soon, I hope. Love you. God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday, bro. Your present's waiting for you when you get home. Have fun. Bye.
Say happy birthday, Brogan. Say happy birthday. Wave.
Happy birthday, Brogan. Don't think I'm going to get this one to wave anymore, but it's full of gold. You got the snotty gold. Been thinking about you loads. I hope you have an amazing time. I bet you are. And just have a wonderful birthday. Say bye. Say bye, Jean.
Hi, bro. Happy birthday. Wish you were here so we could say it in person. But thinking about you on your birthday.
Right. Happy birthday, Brogan!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
This one's going to work, yeah.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Para ser justos, él es rápido.
Más me haces.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Just happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Brogan!
Happy birthday, bro.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Yeah, girl.
Happy birthday, Brogan. Have a great holiday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Brogan. Happy birthday, Brogan.
Happy birthday, Brogan! Mwah. Happy birthday, Brogan! Miss you!
Happy birthday, bro.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Brogan!
Happy birthday.
birthday, Brogan.
Happy birthday!
Happy
birthday!
Happy birthday, Brogan. Sydney, say happy birthday. We're missing you. It's been like ages now. The house is certainly a lot quieter without you and Sean giggling from the upstairs bedroom. But we know you're enjoying yourselves and that's more important. Okay, so enjoy your birthday and just know that we're here thinking of you as always. Love you lots. Bye.
It's a warm glow as well.
Is it?
Oh,
so is it flattering?
Yeah.
You look terrific.
Thank you.
Yeah,
He looked at me when he said that, not at you.
I just didn't want it to get awkward. Right.
How many takes do we get?
One, and it starts now.
Oh, go on then.
Happy birthday, Brogan.
Happy birthday, Brogan. Have a great day. Missing you guys. Your turn.
See you soon.
Ish. You said one take as well.
That's it. That's it. It's all done.
We're done.
That's it.
Okay.
We're done.
That was terrible.
Yeah.
You were awful. I was right in character then. I really was. You were awful.